Hello everyone. In the middle of raging floodwaters against the mud and chaos, this man pulls out a massive fish. What an unbelievable catch in such extreme conditions. In India, heavy rains often trigger massive landslides like this. Look at the sheer force. At times like these, avoiding mountain roads is the safest choice. Somewhere in Sri Lanka, monkeys seem to be living a far better life than most people. Free, playful, and carefree. Nature truly favors them here. Sometimes, what starts as pure fun quickly turns into danger. One wrong move, and everything changes in an instant. This has to be one of the most beautiful creatures on Earth. Graceful, rare, and absolutely mesmerizing to watch. In China's devastating floods, countless homes and people were swept away by the raging waters, but the fire service rescue teams worked with such speed and dedication. It's truly worthy of respect. In India, tourists gathered to enjoy the beauty of a famous waterfall, but suddenly, floodwaters rushed in. Thanks to the police's quick action, everyone was moved to safety just in time. On a mountain road in India, traffic comes to a standstill. Massive landslides every year create serious problems for local communities. Nature's power is truly overwhelming here. In Bangladesh, floodwaters rose so high that entire homes were submerged. Only the top of a giant gas tank is visible. The devastation is unimaginable, and the area is unrecognizable. The floodwaters were so intense that the entire area is buried under mud and sand. Even after the water recedes, the land is left completely covered. Nothing is left untouched. A heartbreaking reality in the riverine areas. Every person who has lost their home and land to the river faces unimaginable struggles. This is the human cost of nature's force. Look at this big bird sleeping peacefully on the ship. So carefree. Nature's serenity captured in a single moment. A man caught on camera amidst India's most amazing landslide. The sheer power of nature is unbelievable, and his courage is truly remarkable. Most heartbreaking scene. A man brings soup for his customer at the salon, but what happens next leaves everyone in shock. You won't believe this hilarious turn of events. Look at how perfectly she trims the tree leaves, so precise, so satisfying to watch. Pure skill in action.
It's deep within our DNA and ethos, and we feel it's a really important artistic statement, and it's kind of fun. And so, yeah, for us, finding things.
Look at this frog farm in China, so lively and full of energy. It's fascinating to see how these creatures are cared for and thrive.
भाई सभी भाइयों से रिक्वेस्ट है कृपया आज के पहाड़ों में घूमने मत आइए प्लीज आप हालात देख सकते हो अब ये
The landslide has completely buried the road, and heavy machinery is at work clearing the debris. Nature's power is overwhelming, and the cleanup is massive.
अभी आ ही रहे देखो और ये देखो दो जेसीबी लगी है हालात
Looks like this turkey has a connection with the car owners. What a hilarious and unexpected twist. You won't see that coming.
It usually says like.
Look at this stunning submarine in America, sleek, powerful, and built for adventure beneath the waves. Truly a marvel of engineering. The moment the fish feel fresh, sweet water, they immediately leave the old water behind. Nature's instinct at its finest. In China, sudden heavy rains transformed into a massive flood in no time. The sheer force of nature is both terrifying and awe-inspiring. Look at the mesmerizing beauty of this waterfall. The sound, the flow, everything is so calming and magical. Nature at its finest. In Pakistan, a fruits-laden tempo met with a serious accident. In America, a luxury car's brakes suddenly fail. The driver struggles desperately to stop, and in that tense moment, he turns to prayer. Truly a heart-stopping scene. These two friends are having way too much fun playing pranks with a lighter on their buddy. Hilarious and mischievous at the same time.